In this movie, we're going to look at creating a surface using points and break lines from some field data. In this example, all of our elevations are going to be above sea level. I've loaded up some sample data in which points and break lines have been collected. So the first task that I want to perform here is just verify that I've got 3D data from which to extract my surface. Let's change our perspective here, and so now we can see by turning on the IPNs that the points in the database do have an elevation, and I can see that the line work matches up with the points. You can see what the listed elevations here are when I turn on independent point elevations. So I'm happy that I've got all the data that I need in order to create a surface. Okay, next step, we're going to switch over to the model ribbon, and we're going to head over to Extract to Surface. Select that option. Now I'm prompted to see what the name I'd like to give my surface is. The default will be ground. I may have more than one surface in memory, and then I'd see them in this pull down here, but I just have ground. If I'm trying to do a fresh start, I might want to check on clear before extract, but this is my first time. I'll select OK. Now down in the command line, you'll see that it's prompting me to select all the entities that I'd like to use to create this surface. So here I'm going to window in the points and the line work that I want to make part of this surface. Now what it's done is it's selected everything that is above 2 units in elevation. So that's excluded all of the point labels that you'll see down here. That's a good thing. When I'm finished selecting, I hit enter, and you can see in the report I have 2,526 points in the surface. Now what I want to do is I want to extract breaks. The points will give you a somewhat accurate surface, but there may be situations where you want to make sure that your model follows a particular line. So it could be the edge of a slope, could be the bottom of a slope, could be the top of a ridge, just something distinctive. That's what the purpose of breaks are. And I've already seen that they are drawn as 3D polylines, so that means that what we're looking at here is perfectly valid for breaks. So just to make it easy to see what we're doing, I'm going to isolate the layer upon which the breaks are drawn. And now we'll go back to Extract Breaks. Here I'm going to add those breaks to the existing surface named ground. I'll select OK here. Down in the command line it asks me to select entities. So here's where, in this case, I'll just window in all those 3D polylines. Hit enter, and now they're all added to my surface. Okay, and now we have a surface in memory. What I'm going to do here is open up Surface Operations just to confirm for myself. There is my surface called ground. If I go to Detailed Info, I can get some statistics about that surface. That looks good. Thanks for your interest in learning how to build a surface. The next movie, you'll see how to build a surface in which not all the elevations were above sea level.